Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Amazon stock gained 2.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 3% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The Bank of Canada trimmed its key policy rate by 25 basis points to 2.75% and raised concerns about inflationary pressures and weaker growth stemming from trade uncertainty and President Donald Trump's tariffs. Wall Street advanced as cooler-than-expected inflation data helped staunch a sharp sell-off among growth stocks, while the escalation of US President Donald Trump's chaotic multi-front tariff war kept gains in check. US consumer prices increased moderately in February as higher shelter costs were partially offset by cheaper airline fares, giving the Federal Reserve room to keep interest rates unchanged next week while monitoring the economic impact of a trade war.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, the Irish HICP at 11 GMT. The Irish Consumer Price Index will be released at 11 GMT. The UK's RICS Housing Price Balance at 0:01 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.